In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order from your My Orders page before it ships. If you need to stop an order that has not been sent out yet, the process is usually quick, but timing is very important. This works best when the order is still waiting for shipment and tracking information has not appeared yet. Once tracking details are added, the order may already be in the shipping process, and cancellation might no longer be available through the normal order screen. Start by opening Chrome and going directly to your My Orders page. This is the main screen where your recent purchases are listed, and it gives you a clear overview of each order's current status. If needed, give the page a moment to fully load so all actions and order details appear correctly. Next, look through the list and find the specific order you want to cancel. Make sure you select the correct listing, especially if you have placed multiple orders recently. The key thing to check here is the status. You want the order that is still awaiting shipment. That means it has been placed successfully, but it has not yet been packed or shipped out. Once you found the right order, look for the Cancel Order action link. You'll want to click that option before any tracking details populate on the order. This timing matters because the cancellation request is typically only available while the seller or merchant still has a chance to stop fulfillment. If you don't see the cancel option, that may mean the order has already moved too far along in processing. After selecting cancel order, a panel or form should appear asking you to choose a reason. From the drop-down menu, select the official reason statement that best matches why you want to cancel. Choose the most accurate option available, since this helps communicate the request clearly to the merchant and keeps the cancellation process straightforward. Finally, click Submit Request. This sends the cancellation request to the merchant and alerts them that you want the package fulfillment halted before shipment. After submitting, it's a good idea to watch the order